Prettiemajor. Sorry, I'm trying to get some good lighting, so I'm standing in front of my front door. So yeah, and everybody's asleep right now. It's pretty early in the morning. I was trying to head to Ross this morning in Burlington because they just opened back up here in North Carolina, because you know them deals is popping or whatever. So I was trying to get out there, but my sister's still sleeping. I know she wanted to go, so I'm just waiting for her to wake up. And sorry if y'all hear this, but my I'm washing dishes in the dishwasher right now. But I just wanted to come to you guys quickly and show you guys what my braids are looking like. It's been about 5 weeks, I want to say 5 weeks. The braids themselves, if y'all can see, they look really, really good still. Like if you look, the braids, they look really good still. A little bit of my hair is starting to show through because my hair is curly, and I've been working out and everything. I've been working out for about 5 weeks now, so, well, 4 weeks of working out. So here it is. And the roots is really the only issue that you're gonna have, is your hair growing out with knotless braids. So you know, when you do regular box braids, you have the loop, the little knot right here, and the knot pretty much keeps your hair like intact a little bit longer. But when you're doing it with your regular hair, that bad boy grows out really, really fast. So these are my roots, and like my braids are hanging. So the braid used to be all the way up here, now it's down here, and my roots growing in curly, of course, because I have natural hair. So what I did was I just took my blow dryer and like flattened this part so it would lay, because it was like sticking out like this. And this one right here, I had to put like some edge control on it to lay it down, if y'all can't tell, because it was just sticking up and it would not lay flat. So yeah, I did the same thing over here. Blow dried it on low just to kind of flatten that root out, because my roots were getting puffy, because like I said, I've been working out. So yeah, your roots are only gonna be the issue. Like you can see, this one's trying to curl up right up in here, and it's getting a little frizzy at the top because, like I said, natural hair. So yeah, other than that, like, it's really doing decent. It's not a style that's meant to last really, really long. I just wanted to come say hi to you guys really quick, see how you guys are doing, check in with you guys. Just wanted to show you guys my hair. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions about knotless braids or anything like that, do not hesitate to leave them down below. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. People in my next video.